Hey, thanks for tuning back into BBQiT. I'm Craig Kimberly, your host, and we're doing yet another classic today. Good old hot dogs, the American classic. How to cook them on the grill, get a nice little char on them, not too much, and of course a beautifully toasted bun. So once we pay attention to the time, technique, and temperature, it's gonna be really easy and you'll always put out a perfect hot dog.
And yes, of course, we're cooking with charcoal on our 22 today. Bust out the chimney, get your starter, fill that puppy up, let it get hot, dump the coals. Slow it down for a second, I love this part. Sweet. All right, now it's time to move everything to the side and let's get grilling. KETTLE, all beef hot dogs, natural casings, love them. And I give them a slice on each side. Some people get more fancy, but basically this keeps them from splitting. Onto our grill, running at about 400 to 425, both vents ripped wide open. And our time, probably 6 minutes, temp, just over 400, technique, direct heat unless we need to pull them off. Let's let those dogs run, and it's time to butter the buns. A little bit of olive oil brushed on each side. You know it, New England style, top split, the only way we go. And our dogs are looking awesome. Let's flip them and keep going. Making a little room for the buns here. Now this is the tricky part. You do have to keep an eye on these. You cannot walk away, especially over the direct heat. Hey, that guy busted even though I split them. So let's keep these buns moving around. I'm actually gonna probably slide these dogs off the direct heat here so I have more room for the buns to kind of catch up and toast quick. I think I may shut the lid here for just a second so I don't lose too much heat. And they're ready. Time to get the buns off. Look at that perfect, gorgeous toasty. It makes all the difference in the world, trust me. I'm gonna put these dogs back on the direct heat for just another minute, just to get them back up to temp. And pretty much they're ready now. So popping them into the buns. Oh, doesn't that look gorgeous? And there you have it. We hit just about 7 minutes, 8 minutes, and these hot dogs were ready. Now some people do like them charred a lot more than this, but this is to me the medium road, perfectly grilled hot dog. And I don't want to see any ketchup on those dogs. Come on, man, you're not a 6-year-old. This is New England, man. We just put mustard on it. That was the way we were raised at Fenway Park. Ooh, time to do a little taste test. I couldn't help myself.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Now remember to subscribe and ring the bell. Grow this community. I love it. I'm getting thousands of comments. I'm trying to respond to all of them, and I usually get to every one of them. So leave me some comments, suggestions, ideas. Love it. Thanks for tuning in.
I had to.